Hello, Diana. How are you? Hello, Blanca. I am fine, and you? I am fine, thank you. I wanted to know what you're going to do tomorrow night. Mm, I don't have anything to the yet. Why? I was wondering if you would like to come to my sister's birthday party. Your sister? It is really thin. It will be the next week. Yes. What happened is that she will leave it next week on the trip, and we wanted to break forward the party. Oh, that sounds great. I could break here the cake she likes so much. Of course, your idea is great, so that he don't notice the preparation. So see you at my house tomorrow at 8. Okay, see you tomorrow at time. I think it's perfect. See you tomorrow night. Take care. Goodbye. It's okay, friends. Take care of yourself nice night. Goodbye.